If you want to learn how to make some extra money starting a side hustle with zero experience, listen up, because I'm going to tell you what I do in digital marketing. And I laugh because I've literally made $1,400 today while I was at the beach. This is a business that literally works around me and my life. This is a business that I get to still do the things that I love and make money at the same time. And I didn't even have any experience in this space in digital marketing. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Jazzy. I'm just a regular 22-year-old, okay? I was unemployed from a 9 to 5 before I had started digital marketing. Before I invested in this program so I could learn these high income skills to scale my own 6-figure business. Now, what I did is I invested in a done for you digital interactive program that is a part of the fastest growing industry, e-learning. It makes 1.2 billion a day. Look at this. And this was also my day. This is 2 months of consistency, guys. That's not my first sale. But my point is, I didn't make nothing for 2 months, okay? So what you are going to do is invest in that program. There's 4, 100, 300, 600, or 900, depending on what do you want to learn, what are your goals, and what are your dreams, and what is your budget, most of all, okay? It's a one-time investment. It's not ongoing. There's no yearly, monthly fees. Symphony to my ears, because as soon as I purchased, the week before, I had quit my job before I started digital marketing, and I actually got into an accident. My brand new Mazda CX-3, my world was literally falling apart. I had no job. My car needed to get fixed, and I was unemployed, and I have a car to pay off. So I was like, okay, what am I gonna do? So I didn't even intend on starting digital marketing, but it just literally came up in front of my face on TikTok. I purchased my program. Now, what I do is I work 2 to 3 hours a day. I post 3 pieces of content a day. These skills in the blueprint have taught me how to attract my perfect customer through my content, even to identify who my perfect customer is. I have mastered storytelling. I'm still mastering storytelling. Mastering my message, learning how to attract a daily paying customer to my automated business. So what you're going to get given is literally a done for you product that you make 100% profit, up to 4 of them. So you can have 4 income streams, and you can also add more income streams if you want. We show you how to do that. Done for you website, create it. So symphony to my ears again. I didn't want to have to create my website, didn't want to have to create my products. I've tried drop shipping, I had to create all those things and it didn't work for me. Okay, I was like stressed to bugger. I was like, I can't do this. It wasn't working. I was spending a lot of money on ads. And again, you don't pay for ads in this business. We show you a free method, a copy and paste method, where you can copy and paste your ads for free to high traffic websites. We give you 200. I haven't even started doing that, and I've already found success. So just imagine doing that as well. Oh my God. And these are proven strategies. So what I'm telling you right now is this has created 6 and 7 figures for people. I have just hit my first 5,000. That's United States dollars, but it converts to Australian 5K. A regular 22-year-old, I didn't have any experience in this space, okay? I've always worked in the corporate industry, but I didn't want to work a 9 to 5 anymore. I knew that there was something better out there for me. I knew, and yes, I was scared, but I was so scared of living a paycheck to paycheck life until I'm 30, for another 30 to 40 years. I was scared that I was going to miss out on more time with my family, and that I was never going to be able to travel the world because my income was never going to be sustainable. I didn't want to have to keep requesting when I can't take a holiday. I wanted to be my own boss. Now I am. Consistency is key in this business, guys. Consistency is everything. Everything. I have shown up every single day. I post my content every day. I go live every day. And people have been watching me. People will watch you, get to know you, because people will only buy from you when they like, know, and trust you. I started this business with the fact that this is going to work for me, regardless. Whatever happens, I'm going to make it work. I'm giving myself 12 months. And if I'm seeing this in literally, most of my sales have been all of this month, like September and just started, it's October has just started. Imagine the next 6 months to 12 months. If I can do this with no experience, so can you. You know what you're also going to get? An automated freedom machine. That means I don't have to work paycheck to paycheck. That's how I got paid when I was at the beach. Because as soon as someone finds your content, attracted them to your content. They want more info. You give them the info. They go to your automated business. They buy from you. If you've connected to them that well, you've obviously connected to them enough to want to go and find out more info. So if you want to learn how to do this, you want to get the information, make that educated decision, you want to ask me questions, drop the word blueprint in the comment section, okay? And I will send you over my phone went to full storage. I will drop my website down below so you can access the blueprint details. If you are ready for some change in your life, you are ready to say, no, I don't want to be broke. I don't want to be in this circumstance right now. I want to be visiting the world. I want to get paid doing the things that I love. I want to work less hours, work smarter, but actually make more money so I can leave that legacy for your future family. Then this is going to be for you. And I'm going to be here to support you every single step of the way. Because if I can do this, so can you, my friend. So on that note, don't forget to like this video, comment if you enjoyed it, and still put blueprint if you want the details. And share this, because we're not going to gatekeep this opportunity. There are so many people in this who are on social media that can change their lives with these proven high income skills, okay? And don't forget to subscribe for more of my digital marketing content. I will see you in my next video. Bye.